when I make these three offers, although the sales price looks completely different, because if you go to our cash offer, we're at 500. If I go to the seller finance at 625, but at the end of the day, you're going to make a ton on this property. Or if we did a lease option, that sales price is going to be the highest. My job during the phone call is to build a relationship, understand what their situation is, and start getting a gut feeling of where I think they need to be. A lot of that is not necessarily based on what they need, but when I ask them that question, it gives me a ballpark of what they're looking for. Once I explain this and they see all this on paper, nobody's doing this, by the way. Nobody. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter to me which offer they take because I've already calculated that I'm going to make money with all three. I keep duplicating this concept over and over again with every property.